Welcome to Quick Learning. In last few videos, we discussed how to create different types of bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, and numeric cards on Power BI. In this video, we will be learning how to create different formulas and measurements in Power BI. If you have data in specific format and you want to create some new measurements and new formulas to define some KPI, how to do this on Power BI and how to show this data in Power BI using numeric cards or maybe some graph. So for this, what we will do is we will on this main screen you will see first you will select on right side the main sheet in which you want to create some new formula, new measurement. For example, I have selected this second number sheet, Power BI Power Summary. I have selected this. Then what I will do is I will come on this table tools option on this uppermost tab. This is table tools, and I will select this new measure option. When I will select this new measure option, I will click it, and then you will see a window will appear in front of you in which it will create a small measure tab in on this right side. You can see here measure, and in the main screen in this formula tab, this will show this is asking me to write your formula, and the name is measure. First of all, I can calculate I can rename this. For example, I say it the HFO saving consumption. For example, I rename this. Now I will write the formula. So for this, the main technique of writing any formula is Power BI doesn't take the single cell value, it takes the complete column and then it performs the operation with that specific column. So you have to write the formula. It will be better if you write in the form of sum. For example, I write sum of, then I will enter the specific column of my sheet which I want to calculate, and this is, for example, uh, sum of power summary. Then in this I call it the HFO target. It will add up all the target values. Then I will ask it to subtract this from the power summary, the actual HFO that is consumed, this one, uh, yes, and I will divide it. First of all, I will see that how this works, because our formula must be the same. So first what I will do is I will multiply it with the consumption. It's the power summary HFO electricity. So this it will give me the value in the form of grams. So then I will subtract both of these, target consumption and the actual consumption. Now I will see what this will give me. So you can see here that this formula is basically created, and this is showing some values here. What I will do is let's draw a line chart, for example, here, or maybe some bar chart if it's convenient for you. Let's draw a bar chart here. It was selected, so I will unselect it. Then I will select the bar chart. You can see when it is created, what I will do is I will enter this HFO saving consumption that I measured it on the y-axis and the date in x-axis. So you will see here I will unselect the year, I will unselect the quarter, and now you can see that some number is being shown here. I will again unselect the month. So you will see here that this is showing me the HFO consumption formula, the trend here. I think there is some error in the formula, because here my units are gram per kilowatt hour and I have multiplied it with electricity though. So output of this is in grams. So I have to divide it by 1000 before subtracting this with the HFO consumption in kg, so that both of the units will become in kgs. So once I do this, I think now the number will be a bit good and bit easy. So you have seen that this is showing me the day wise HFO consumption in kgs, and it is showing me a graph. I can convert this graph into line as well, and you can see this is the line wise trend of HFO saving which is being shown here. So in this way you can see that I have created a specific formula for HFO saving or HFO consumption. I can rewrite its name. This is HFO consumption, this one, HFO consumption, and then I have plotted it into a specific line graph here. So the benefit of these Meyer tools is that you can create any customized graph or chart or any formula that is suitable for your calculation, and then on later on you can use it in your KPIs dashboard or your sheets, etc. This is the benefit of this tool. Again, we can have its some formatting of this as well. For example, if I want to change its background, the size with effects, background color can be changed to this one. You can see that it is looking a bit logical now on the right side. So this is all about how to create new formulas using Meyer tool, and in this way it's very easy and feasible that if there is not any specific data in your sheet, then you can create your own required KPI through the this number. So that's all about the Meyer tool, how to use Meyer tool. One more thing that we will be discussing today is how to do the formatting of the main page for this in the sheet in which we are working. For example, you have to unselect each graph or this bar. What you will do is you have to click on the main chart, and then you have to go to this right side, the format your report page, in which we have the canvas background, page information, uh, page name, canvas setting, canvas background. So currently the background is white. We can just change the background color, and you will see that the color of the overall background will be changed. Let me see. Again, the background color can be changed. Similarly, the wallpaper color can be changed. So you can see that now the color of the background is changed. In this way you can do some customized formatting of your main page as well. For example, what I want to do is I want to enter the title of this page of this graph. What I will do is on the main side, you can see some Q&A or some narrative card. This one, I will select this narrative card, and you will see that it will appear as a customized card here. What I will do is I will reduce the size of these graphs so that I can write it some text in it accordingly. I have selected this narrative card. I am extending its size, and now I will write something in it as per my own requirement, what I want to present here, what I want to write here. So this narrative option is also to give some specific title or heading to your card. For example, I write Power BI tutorial for beginners. So see, this is the text that I want to write here. I will make it bold. I will increase its size so that it's more visible to all of us. So you see it will look good in this way. So you can see that this is the main heading and main title for this. In effects, I can change the background color to dark blue maybe, and the font color can be changed to white, so that it looks more good and more attractive. So see, this is now I think change, and you can see that now I have given a title to this graph, this Power BI report module. So now it's looking more promising and more easy. Report is looking in a good shape. There are some unusual colors, but it is just for your understanding that we can change the colors accordingly. So I hope this video will be very useful and beneficial for all of you. For any question or any other topic related to Power BI or SAP or other learning module, you can just write in the comments tab. Please take care, like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.